This episode is brought to you by King of Beards. This is my online shop where you can find high quality products that will help you grow a strong, healthy beard that not only looks great, but also will smell great as well. Definitely the people in your life that like to get up and close with you are gonna thank you for this one. These are products that I use personally. The link is below in the video description section, and if you use my coupon code KING, you'll get 15% off on your first order. These cities in the United States are rated as being some of the best cities for Muslims to live in. Hey guys, Leroy Kenton here. You're watching FTD Facts. Here are 10 best cities for Muslims to live in the United States. Starting with number 10, Detroit, Michigan. Known for its thriving automotive industry, Detroit is home to a substantial Muslim population, and it offers affordable living options for those seeking to practice their faith in a very supportive environment. The city has several large mosques, including the Islamic Center of America, which is one of the largest mosques in the country, as well as it has numerous halal food options. Optionally though, Detroit has a vibrant arts and cultural scene with numerous museums and art galleries showcasing the city's rich history and diverse communities. So there's definitely a whole lot for Muslims to do, and they're definitely going to feel appreciated there. From there, let's look at Houston, Texas at number 9. This southern metropolis is renowned for its friendly, diverse population and a thriving economy that draws people from all walks of life. Houston is an attractive destination for Muslims looking for job opportunities and affordable housing. The city has a large, diverse Muslim population with over 100 mosques and Islamic centers, as well as numerous halal food options, cultural events, and organizations that cater to the needs of the Muslim community. Number 8 leads us to Chicago, Illinois. With its rich cultural heritage and bustling business scene, Chicago provides an ideal environment for Muslims looking to live, work, and worship in an inclusive community. The city has a long history of religious diversity, and it's home to a growing Muslim community with over 80 mosques and Islamic centers, numerous halal food options, and cultural events that really celebrate the contributions of the Muslim community to Chicago's rich cultural environment. New York City comes in at number 7. Despite its reputation for having high living costs, New York City is definitely a melting pot of cultures and religions, including a vibrant Muslim community. The city is home to a diverse array of mosques and Islamic centers with a range of styles and denominations, as well as numerous halal food options and cultural events that showcase the contributions of the Muslim community. On top of that, New York City is a hub for business, arts, and culture, making it a very attractive destination for Muslims seeking opportunities, as well as having a rich cultural experience overall. Next up in this episode is Paterson, New Jersey. This working class city offers affordable living options along with a tight-knit Muslim community, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a lower cost alternative to nearby New York City. The city has a rich history of immigration and is home to a thriving Muslim community with several mosques and Islamic centers, as well as it has plentiful halal food options, and also has events in the community that really embrace Muslims as well as other groups of people. The city coming in at the number 5 spot is Los Angeles in California. Known for its sunny weather and the film industry, Hollywood, Los Angeles boasts a thriving Muslim community and offers a range of affordable housing options for people who really want to live in LA. You know, who doesn't want to live in LA? The city has a long history of religious diversity, and it's definitely fosters a growing Muslim community there. It has over 50 mosques and Islamic centers and halal food options to try, and it definitely does its best to kind of bring all the various different cultures and creative minds together to live and thrive in society. That's why a lot of people move to LA, and that's why it's definitely a very attractive spot for Muslims to also live there. Dallas, Texas comes next. With its robust economy, its welcoming spirit, and its low cost of living, Dallas is a great choice for Muslims looking for affordable housing as well as dynamic city living in general. The city has a growing Muslim community and it has several large mosques and Islamic centers for worship, and Muslims aren't going to really worry about halal food options. They're doing their best to really cater to the people who want halal food. Not even just Muslims eat halal food, by the way, which is very surprising, but that's another point for another video. On top of that, Dallas is known for its thriving arts and cultural scene, and there's a whole lot of different performance venues, so there's always something going on, something to entertain you in the city. From there, let's take a look at Washington, D.C. This is the nation's capital, and it's definitely a great destination for Muslims who are looking for a culturally rich community that embraces them. Washington, D.C. is home to a large and diverse Muslim community. Also, Washington, D.C. is known for its strong job market, and it has various different government and private sector employment opportunities that are available there. Washington, D.C. is also home to a number of international embassies and organizations, making it a hub of international activity and a unique destination for Muslims that are looking to live in the United States. Number 2 leads us to Philadelphia, aka Philly. This historic city is known for its friendly and diverse population, and it's home to a growing Muslim community as well. Philadelphia offers affordable housing options and a range of mosques and Islamic centers, as well as various different events and cultural centers in the community just to kind of bring everybody together. Philadelphia is also home to numerous historic landmarks and museums, so there's so much to learn about America and its history in the city. This episode concludes at number 1, Columbus, Ohio. This is definitely a very affordable city. You know, the cost of living and the growing job market here, it makes it very attractive. So definitely this is a place that Muslims are gonna feel more and more welcome in as time goes on, because just like many other cities in the United States, Columbus is really doing its best to bring cultures together, embrace everybody from different backgrounds, different religions, different ethnicities, so that they can all cohabit in the city peacefully, safely, and have a whole lot of fun doing it. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of this episode. This is a look at 10 best cities for Muslims in the United States. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below about any of the cities that I mentioned. Also, if you did make it this far, go ahead and leave a like on this video. It really helps. And also, if this is your first time coming across our FTD Facts videos, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. That way you'll join the FTD Facts family and never miss a future upload. Thanks for hanging out with me in this episode, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video.